Hello everyone, I want to show you how to use the Bad Textures Connect. It's really easy actually. Just go ahead and open the script editor. In the Python tab, you can open the Bad Texture Connect, and here you can run all the script, execute all, or you can select it all and execute the script, or click and drag with middle mouse button to the shelf bar and run the script. And when you have the script run it, you see here you have selected the shader type. You can select OpenPBR. You can use OpenPBR, aiStandardSurface, or both. In this case, we are going to remap this character. For that reason, the prefix I'm going to select character and robot mole. Add the files and going to select the robot mole textures. Open. And here you can see is to select type the name of I want to match, or for example for this texture, to the channel. And for several ones, for the channels of color, subsurface, emission, color, the automatically the alpha luminance raw are disconnected, are off. And here I can connect color correct, and here is a remap hue saturation value, but is reverse. For example, if I have a roughness channel, but I have a glossy texture, I'm going to select this option for reverse the glossy to specular roughness. I'm going to add 3 more, and here we have the emission. And for the emission, just to the emission color, because this one is emission weight, this other is emission color. I'm going to select the color correct and normal. When we select the normal, you see automatically it's alpha is luminance, it's on, raw color space is in raw, and I have to check the normal. If I don't select this one, it's like it works like a bump for high textures or bump textures. And opacity, it works different for OpenPBR and aiStandardSurface. I'm going to select the geometry and apply. And there we go. I have the textures here. As you see, all the channels are the shaders, the shaded group, the surfacers are renamed, even the textures, you see. And all is done and connected, color correct. And you see here the opacity is connected to geometry opacity in OpenPBR, and from the color to the aiStandardSurface. And we can do another one, for example, the sword. Here I'm going to select the sword. And I don't need to change nothing here. I just change the textures. I'm going to select the sword textures, open, and going to change here to crop and mole sword. And there we go. Already is connected, all in the place. And if I am interested in other kind of textures, for example, for UV tiling in this character, I'm going to search for another textures, and bump, diffuse, mask. We're going to play a bit with the mask texture, normal, roughness, and subsurface. Open. And here diffuse is the same, means 1F. I'm going to use the mask for emission, and I'm going to set it by reverse. Normal, I'm going to set here bump, normal camera, and the order of the position of these two are important. If you select normal map on top first, you are going to connect for the OpenPBR the normal map. If you reverse this selection, you put here bump without this one, and here normal with this one, it's going to apply the bump for the normal camera of the OpenPBR. In this case, I prefer instead by this selection. Bump. And roughness by, and even if I add a color correct here for roughness, you will see that it's taking the arc channel. And subsurface for subsurface. And in that way, it's correct. And double check. Okay, all is done. And I'm going to apply. And you see here now is a bit mess, but I'm going to show you why. You see here the roughness for the OpenPBR. It's connected color correct, but is a Maya color correct. But for the AI standard is a AI color correct. And here I'm going to unplug the subsurface and the emission. And I'm going to regenerate the textures. But you see is for UV tiling mode. And here normal, regenerate. And there we go. I have my textures applied totally correct. And I don't need to change this selection. And even if I apply a couple of else more, don't worry for that, because it's not going to, if I don't have nothing here, he don't find nothing, it's not going to be a problem. Going to apply for the cloth. Here, bam, diffuse, normal, and roughness. Open. I'm going to select the cloth and apply. And there we go. We are already connected, and we just have to regenerate the maps to be applied. It's totally fun. I hope you find this tool useful, and I hope you enjoy it.